Hi, Brian Ellis from Vortech Superchargers here, ready to talk to you about our new 2018 Mustang GT supercharging system, the new 5-liter direct and port injected engine. This kit comes with our V3 JT supercharger, which is a different version of the JT that is the V7, which is an oil fed. This is the V3, so it actually is a self-lubricated compressor with the JT compressor stage on it, so it has that additional horsepower capability with the self-lubricated gear case that everybody loves. Easy for install and works great for longevity, and it's the standard now. So these systems are available in the black finish that you see here. We also have the standard satin finish and the high gloss polished. It is an air-to-air charge-cooled system. The air-to-air that is included with the kit has been tested to 1,000 horsepower, and the kit out of the box makes about 7.5 psi and is rated at 692 horsepower at the crank, and that's on 91 California octane. So obviously with custom tuning or other parts, additional upgrades, you can make quite a bit more than that. The bypass valve that's included in the kit is right on this tube here. You have the choice of the regular race bypass or the race blow-off valve, depending on how you want that sound to be. If you prefer the loud, the blow-off valve is the way to go. The standard bypass is what you'd be used to with the Vortech systems, or you may be used to the blow-off valve if you like that loud sound. We love that, everybody's into that. Available supercharger upgrades for this system include the V7 YSI, which will support 1,200 horsepower, the Billet V7 JTB, 1,300 horsepower support, and the Billet V7 YSI-B, 1,400 horsepower support. So no matter what your horsepower goal is, there is a blower available that will drop right into this system and support it. Future upgrades for the kit include an 8-rib drive upgrade as well, but people are already making over 900 wheel with the 6 ribs, so we're already good as far as that goes.